In this video, we will tell you about our favorite automation platform, also referred to as an integration platform as a service or iPaaS. An iPaaS is a cloud-based software program that provides automated tools that integrate software applications that are deployed in different environments. These platforms allow you to integrate separate cloud-based systems and automate common tasks. For example, you could add a new Shopify customer to your MailChimp email list, or send your team a Slack message when someone completes an online web form. There are only a handful of popular iPaaS platforms, and in this video we'll talk about the two most popular options, and tell you which of these platforms we consider the absolute best to use. Thank you for visiting the Weblytica YouTube channel. We provide content on this channel to help business owners automate and scale their business. When it comes to cloud-based no-code app builders, the conversation typically gravitates to the longtime industry leader, Zapier. Zapier was a mind-blowing innovative automation tool when it debuted in 2011. It was the first mainstream tool that allowed non-coders to integrate separate cloud-based systems and transfer data between those systems automatically. But unfortunately, Zapier hasn't evolved as quickly as necessary to remain the best solution in the no-code automation platform category. While Zapier is still a powerful tool, and we use it as a secondary automation tool, it is our opinion that Make is the best automation tool due to its powerful capabilities and its bang for the buck. Before we can dive into a conversation about Make, we first have to rewind the clock and talk about Make's predecessor, integromat. Integromat laid the groundwork for Make, creating a highly interactive, powerful, and flexible foundation for automating cloud tools. On February 22 of 2022, integromat evolved into Make.com. Today, Make boasts a highly visual drag-and-drop interface that allows you to see the entire automation process and easily edit and adjust your workflow. While Zapier and Make both require a learning curve, you will find that once you have mastered Make, you will have automation superpowers far beyond what is possible with Zapier. Like I said earlier, there is room in the stable for both platforms. Currently, Zapier connects to over 5,000 cloud-based services, while Make connects with only 1,000 plus services. Our team maintains an active Zapier account to handle those connections that are unique to Zapier. In those cases, we either automate everything with Zapier, or send data from Zapier to Make and complete the automated workflow within the Make platform. Where Make really shines is its ability to connect to any REST API. If Make or Zapier doesn't have a built-in module for connecting with your favorite service, you can use Make's HTTP module to make an API call to that service. This is a bit of an advanced feature, but if you're fairly tech-savvy, the learning curve isn't too complicated. We could go on and on about Make, but if you want to get your hands dirty, head on over to our Make Beginners tutorial playlist, where we share tips, tricks, and tutorials that will help you get started automating with Make. Before you jet over to start your Make account, check out the video description. You'll find an affiliate link that will open up a free month of the Make Core plan. This plan has 10,000 operations, or automation tasks, instead of the 1,000 available in the free plan. And if you get stuck using Make or automating your business, head over to Weblytica.com, where we have resources for DIY no-code builders or business owners looking for custom automation solutions. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future content.